standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 4:11 p.m. Central. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning County in north central Illinois, northeastern Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Paw Paw to 6 miles south of Earlville to Tonka, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour in northeastern Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois, King County. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Plainfield, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego, Algonquin, West Chicago, Batavia, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Yorkville, Canton Hills, Minooka, Plano, and Sandwich, including the following interstates. Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 84 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a